Thank you for subscribing, liking, comment, and sharing. Thank you for your support. Welcome back to another episode of MCC Body Shop's channel. Today, we got this nice Focus ST. We're gonna be putting our rear diffuser on the rear bumper. We have to fix the splitter on the side, and we're probably gonna be putting some from Canards on the front bumper. So, like I always said, keep it watching. We're gonna just install this, and then at the end, we're just gonna do a walk around video, see the before and after. Thank you. Por ahí hay unas torres, búscamelas acá, yo creo que están en el frente. Okay guys, so we got the diffuser on already installed. That was pretty easy, but you're gonna go down here and we're gonna try to fix this. This is like too saggy. So we're gonna use this bracket. We're gonna go underneath here, and we're gonna use this muffler mount. We're gonna put our brackets there, and that is gonna hold our diffuser over here. It's a little bit tight to see, but I will go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you the last the way it came out. Okay, so now it's already stiff. This thing is like, now it's solid. It's looking good already. Let me go underneath here to show you like what I did. So what we did was put this aluminum bracket all the way to the mount for the muffler down here, secure it, and we did the same thing on the other side. We went all the way up there, hold it with a bolt, put a bolt and a nut down here, and then we secure it. This thing is like strong. So the diffuser is already done. It's looking good already. So we got that thing going on. Now we're just gonna come here to the side and fix this. This is loose. So we're just gonna put a bolt with a nut over there, tie this one up, and fix that. So the customer brought me this Vega Motorsports from Canards. They look pretty nice. It goes with the hardwares and everything. So we're just gonna go ahead and install this on the front bumper, and let's see how this one come out. Okay guys, so if you're installing one of these, I don't like how it's set though. Let me see if I can show you guys. With the brackets all the way in, it's supposed to go there, but there's a big gap because it's not sitting flush. It's a big gap. So I'm gonna try to do something custom. I'm gonna go to the local hardware and get some metal brackets, because these are aluminum. I don't want to break them off. I'm gonna get some metal brackets, that way we can bend it and make it a little bit better than this. So I'm gonna go to a local hardware store, and we should keep going back with the mounting brackets. Okay guys, so we done. There go the diffuser. It's already on. They got a nice boiler back there. Go around, got the whole splitter set. And then we got this splitter over here already fixed, so it's done. Just waiting on the customer to see if he want to put the Canards on, because I don't like how they fit. So let's see what he said. So the customer decide to put the Canards on. We got my nephew here taking off the bumper. I already made these brackets, so they got a little bit of angle. They're gonna sit better. And now we're gonna take the bumper off, fit the Canards. I'm gonna paint this black, put it on the Canards, and then do the holes to hold it with some bolts and nuts. And then we put it back together and we should be done. Okay guys, so here we go. We're done with the Canards. I did a little custom brackets. It's already done. Got those ones. Looking good, looking good. And the customer tomorrow morning pick it up, and this one is done. Another one done. Got the splitters, diffuser. Looking good. And there we go. So, like we always says,
spray.
Subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.